Explore the future, where innovation and technology merge, where buildings are not just structures but creative canvases. Implementing AI in construction, composite materials becoming art, and tradition blending with the future, highlighting the intertwining of technology and imagination. Number 8. PUUCO. PUUCO introduces delta beam composite beams, a revolutionary solution that combines steel and concrete strength with timber eco-friendliness. This system allows architects to create sleek, open spaces with minimal columns and ceilings, reducing total floor thickness by up to 30% compared to traditional timber constructions. Delta Beam also features integrated fireproofing, eliminating the need for complex on-site applications. PUUCO Green is made with 90% recycled steel, significantly reducing its environmental footprint. With EPD certification and a minimal carbon footprint, PUUCO is the eco-conscious choice for architects and builders. PUUCO has been used in thousands of buildings worldwide since 1989, making it a game-changer in the world of education and learning. The Delta Beam slim floor structure creates airy, well-lit environments that encourage creativity and exploration. The slim floor design also reduces energy consumption for heating and cooling, making buildings more energy efficient. PUUCO timber connections facilitate seamless timber and concrete integration in large and heavy structures, paving the way for a new era of construction possibilities. Number 7. LAMMI TASSU. The construction world has been waiting for simplicity, speed, and structural integrity to align, and LAMMI TASSU delivers precisely that. The revolutionary prefabricated TASSU formwork system empowers you to lay the foundation of a building in just one day. Imagine a process so straightforward that no special tools or skills are required. The formwork arrives at your construction site in one comprehensive delivery, complete with rebar. With clear and detailed instructions, even DIY builders can confidently follow along. The process starts with inserting the rebar, folding the skirt of the mold, and pouring the concrete directly from a cement mixer truck. Construction can commence as soon as the concrete cures. But it's not just speed, it's about economics and environmental responsibility. The quick installation translates into significant cost savings, and the TASSU formwork stays in place after casting, eliminating construction waste and maintaining a tidy and secure work environment. The LAMMI TASSU isn't just a foundation, it's a symbol of progress, efficiency, and a leap towards a future where construction is smarter, faster, and greener. Number 6. Spatial Timber Assemblies. ETH Zurich has introduced Spatial Timber Assemblies, a groundbreaking achievement that transcends the boundaries of architecture and automation. These assemblies are a testament to the convergence of technology, craftsmanship, and imagination. They enable the construction process to transform timber beams into structural masterpieces, transforming them into a symphony of timber and a dance of creativity and engineering. The innovative technology brings geometrically intricate modules that marry form and function, transforming the future of construction. The integrated digital architecture ensures every change is swiftly and seamlessly incorporated, bridging the gap between design, planning, and execution. ETH Zurich's collaboration with industry stalwarts like Ern AG Hosbau exemplifies how expertise and technology can coalesce to shape our world. The combination of craftsmanship and digitalization unlocks opportunities previously unimagined, breathing life into architectural marvels. ETH Zurich's spatial timber assemblies are not just a product, but the embodiment of progress, showcasing the possibilities that lie ahead in a future where construction is a canvas. Number 5. Tenmat Passive Fire Protection. When it comes to fire protection, Tenmat's fire-rated light enclosure stands as an impenetrable fortress against the fury of flames. The number behind this innovation are nothing short of astonishing. Imagine a solution that surpasses even the strictest fire safety codes, providing an unmatched defense against the destructive force of fire. But Tenmat's brilliance doesn't stop at safety. It seamlessly combines practicality with innovation. The installation process might be simple, but the engineering behind it is intricate. As the enclosure takes its place, it also brings along acoustic insulation, ensuring not only safety, but also an environment conducive to concentration and productivity. With over 2,500 installations worldwide, Tenmat's fire-rated light enclosure has significantly minimized fire damage by as much as 90%. This isn't just a product, it's a peace of mind, knowing that your structure is shielded by an unrivaled defense against fire's unpredictable nature. Number 4. BETONAMIT. BETONAMIT is a revolutionary demolition process that offers a quiet yet powerful alternative to traditional explosives. This method reduces noise pollution and vibrations that could damage neighboring structures or the environment. BETONAMIT's efficiency is backed by a reduction of up to 80% in demolition time compared to conventional methods. This not only saves time and money, but also makes each project a seamless and swift endeavor. BETONAMIT also has a clean and sustainable profile, leaving behind an impeccable footprint. Its safety is a standout feature, as no vibrations means no structural risks, ensuring the safety of nearby structures and workers. Over 10,000 structures worldwide have chosen BETONAMIT for their demolition needs. Number 3. Concrete Brick Stamp Roller. The Concrete Brick Stamp Roller RL114500 is a compact and practical tool that imprints individual bricks measuring 8 inch x 3.5 inch x 0.25 inch. It features aluminum threaded handles for a seamless experience. The process involves waiting for the concrete to reach a balance between sticky and malleable, then choosing a pattern and rolling with even pressure to create a consistent imprint. Repeat this process in sections, ensuring you overlap grout line imprints for a flawless pattern. Cleaning up is easy with mild detergent and water. Once the concrete has hardened, consider adding a stain and sealer for protection and visual appeal. The Brick Border Concrete Stamp Roller allows you to create customized concrete surfaces, making it an ideal tool for both seasoned concrete artisan and DIY enthusiasts. This tool combines speed, precision, and versatility, making concrete surfaces canvases for creativity. The Concrete Brick Stamp Roller RL114500 is designed to make your concrete dreams a reality and bring endless possibilities to your projects. Number 2. VODALAND Geo Grid. The landscape of construction is ever evolving, and so are the terrains we encounter. This is where VODALAND's Geo Grid steps in, a guardian that allows you to conquer even the most challenging landscapes with ease. Crafted from durable polyethylene, this grid isn't just a foundation, it's a statement of resilience. The numbers tell a tale of transformed landscapes. Over 5 million square meters of terrain have been stabilized by VODALAND's Geo Grid, turning what was once considered unbuildable into a canvas of construction. It's not just about overcoming challenges, it's about embracing possibilities. What truly sets VODALAND's Geo Grid apart is its capacity to support heavy loads while combating eroding soils. It's a testament to engineering ingenuity that translates into a stable foundation for your projects. In a market where terrain challenges can often dictate the pace of construction, VODALAND offers a solution that stands resolute, turning your vision into a reality no matter the landscape. Number 1. Schluter FINEC SQ. Schluter FINEC SQ is a tiling profile that combines elegance and strength, transforming tiling projects with a touch of sophistication. It features a symmetrical 3x16-inch profile reveal and deep embossed texture on both sides, providing a captivating 3D touch. The geometric structure eliminates the need for reinforcement plates, ensuring durability that outlasts traditional alternatives. Customization is available with groove or wood grain patterns, allowing for a unique design language for tiling projects. FINEC SQ is resistant to mold and fungi, ensuring a lasting beauty that's easy to maintain. It's not just a profile, it's an architectural canvas that elevates spaces with a blend of style and substance. Subscribe.